Hello everyone. We'll be seeing a question of USEED 2021 question paper. Alright, so let's start. Four identical pieces of wood of length 50 centimeters by 8 centimeters into 2 centimeters are arranged as shown in the figure. Another large square is generated by rotating all the wooden panels along the outer edges and extending the outermost edges till they touch each other. So what is the area of the large square thus constructed? So basically what you are supposed to do, the image that you see in the question, we'll have to open it up. So let's first understand the figure properly, alright? So this structure which is there, this length of the wooden block, this is given as 50. The height of the wooden block, it is given as 8 centimeters. And they've also given us the thickness. That is pretty important. So this is the thickness given. How much is it? It is 2 centimeters. Now, I'm supposed to open this up. Now try to visualize it. This is a 3D figure, right? So when it falls down, what would happen is this brick, this piece of wood which I have, if I open it up, it's going to fall like this, isn't it? So the structure would be something like this. So this would be the fallen piece. Now if it falls off, this 8 centimeter height which you have, it's going to be this over here. And the length of 50, it's going to be as it is. Got the point? Now, one crucial point over here is this thickness of 2 centimeters which you see, it's going to be below this block over here, right? So when you open it up, that will also contribute to the length of the new square that is going to get generated. So basically, if with this 3D structure, I need to draw it in 2D. How would the new structure form? See, these would be, these 4 lines that I am drawing would be the inner square which is there. Now when it falls over, this 2 centimeters over here, that would be the thickness that would add. Then another 8 centimeters would get added, which is the height of that wooden block. And same ways, it's going to happen on all 4 sides because the brick is being opened up, the box is being opened up from all the 4 sides. So another 10 centimeters, this way also it's 10 centimeters, and to the LHS also it's increased by 10 centimeters. So now I need to find what would be the area of the new square, right? Now what do we know? Area of square, it's nothing but the side square. So I need to find what is the new side that has been developed. So what is the new side? See carefully, the internal square, its side length was 50. And now from each side, how much is getting added? This 10 over here and this 10. So the new side that I have is 50 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 70 centimeter. So the new square is going to have a length of 70 centimeters. So which means area will be 70 square. And what is 70 square? 4900 centimeter square. That's going to be the area of this new square. Got it, guys? Thank you.